In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extensions in Google Sheets. Whether you want to enhance your data processing capabilities or automate tasks, extensions can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you have a Google Sheet open on your computer. If you haven't already done so, just head over to Google Sheets and open or create any spreadsheet that you want to use as a starting point. Having the spreadsheet open is the essential first step, as it's from here that you'll access and manage your extensions. Once your sheet is ready, look towards the top of your screen, where you'll find several menu options. Find and click on the Extensions option in the menu bar. It's located at the top, alongside other options like File, Edit, and View. This menu is where you can access various add-ons and extensions available to enhance your Google Sheets experience. After clicking on Extensions, you will see a drop-down menu. From this list, select Get Add-ons. This action opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, a hub of tools designed to expand the functionality of your Google tools, including Google Sheets. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Use this to search for specific extensions. Type in the name of the extension you are interested in. In our example today, we'll search for text-to-speech with Google Drive TM. This can be handy if you're looking to add a specific type of functionality to your sheets. Once you've entered your desired extension in the search bar, a list of results will appear. Click on the extension you searched for, in this case, text-to-speech with Google Drive TM. This will take you to its details page, where you can learn more about what it does and how it can enhance your workflows. If you decide this extension meets your needs, go ahead and click the Install button. Don't worry, you'll have the chance to review the permissions it requires before committing. Next, the installation process will prompt you to confirm your Google account. Select the email address associated with the Google Sheets where you want to install the extension. After selecting your account, you'll see an Allow option, which you should click to enable the required permissions. Once allowed, you'll receive a confirmation that the installation was successful. Click Done to complete the process and close the window. Finally, to ensure everything was set up correctly and to start using your new tool, go back to your spreadsheet. Click on Extensions again and you should see your newly installed extension listed there, ready for you to use. Remember, extensions can greatly enhance your experience by automating tasks and adding advanced features, making your work in Google Sheets more efficient and effective. Thanks for following along and happy spreadsheeting!